When it comes to heating and cooling your home, a ducted heat pump can be an efficient and effective solution. But with so many models on the market, it can be difficult to choose the right one for your needs. That's why we've put together this guide to help you find the best ducted heat pump for your home. We'll compare top models from Daikin, Bosch, Trane, Lennox, and Rheem, and provide you with a checklist of things to consider when getting a quote from a contractor. By considering factors like climate, duct system, and budget, you can find the best ducted heat pump for your needs and enjoy efficient and effective heating and cooling all year round.